Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mavis and you're watching Mace Craft Hub. Okay, so today I'm actually working. I'm beading a dress, but then I thought it was, let me just put a camera in front of me while I work, and then we will discuss the diverse ways, so many ways that you can make money from beads or from beading skills. So are you ready? Let's dive into it. Like I said earlier, there are so many ways that you can make money from your beading skills or from beads. Okay, and the first one I am going to talk about is selling the raw beads. Okay, is selling these raw beads, not the beaded ones. Okay, you know there are so many accessories when it comes to bead making. We have the raw beads, we have various handles, various types of beads and all of that. Now if you go into this type or this kind of business, is a very lucrative one. I always say that bead itself is very lucrative, okay, because if you buy a small, okay, so that is those of us that we weave, but then it's very lucrative as a whole because um those that we buy these from, okay, they buy this in bulk, some in big sacks, and then they arrange it on strands like this and then they sell. Now if I buy a sack of these crystals, these are the glass ones, if I buy a sack of this type of crystals and then I arrange them, look at the length of this, okay, if I arrange them on these short strands, imagine the amount of money I'm going to get from one sack. Even those that do retail, they buy it wholesale from people, they get a lot of money from buying this type of bead. And so selling the raw materials or the raw bead itself is very lucrative. Okay, so that is one of it. Now the other one, or I will say, so I want to deal with the ones that doesn't take you to know the beading skill itself. Okay, we are talking about bead business ideas first, that you don't have to know the beading skills before you venture into those business. Okay, so we are first dealing with the business ideas from beads that you don't have to know how to bead, or you don't have to have the beading skills to start. Is that okay? So the first one that we have already talked about is selling the bead and its accessories. Okay, yeah. Now the next one I am going to talk about is called, I don't know how to call it, but I think for the purpose of this video I'll just term it as drop shipping. Yeah, maybe that. Okay, so if you don't know how to make the beaded accessories or the beaded product, you can make you can contact someone who is into the selling of beaded bags or selling of any beaded product, any type of beaded product. Okay, so you contact such person and then you tell the person that you want to do business with her, and so you will be selling her products for her. Now all you have to do is to post that person's bags or designs on your status or wherever that you're going to market those products, and then when someone show interest in the product you posted, which is not yours, someone's product that you posted on your stats or maybe your social media platforms, then you contact the person, you give the person's location and details to the person you are selling, the owner of the bags, let me put it that way, the owner of the bag. And so all you have to do is to send the customer's details to the person you are selling the product for. Okay, and then you talk out with the person, and so the person will give you a discount or maybe a commission. So and every sale you make for the person, you get a commission from it. Okay, but I mean, what I normally do is when people reach out to me, and then I always advertise it, okay, that I want people who will be doing those kind of business with me. So you post my bags on your storefront or anywhere that you can market it. When someone orders it from your post, all you have to do is just to give me the person's number or location. I will do the delivery and everything to your client, and all you have to do is to receive your part of the money. So that is commission. But I don't do like 30% commission, or I just sell it to you on wholesale. Okay, wholesale price. So if I sell it on my own, like if I sell like 200 Ghana cedis, and then you want to do that business with me, I will maybe give it to you for like 150 Ghana cedis. But you will also tell the person it's 200 Ghana cedis, and so the 50 cedis is your profit. Okay, so that's what I normally do. So if you're interested, you want to venture into this kind of business, you don't have to know how to make any beaded product. Okay, all you have to do is to post it on your social media handle platforms, or your status, or any other way you can market it. Okay, and then at the end of the day, you receive your commission, or you get your profit without working. Okay, I'll do the delivery, the packaging, everything. Okay, so that is the second aspect of it. Now, apart from these two, maybe I'm yet to discover, or if any of you also know any other way that you can make money from beads without having to know the beading skills. I have said two. If you have any other, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now to the other side, where you will need to know the beading skills. Okay, where you will need to know the beading skills. The first one I will talk about is to make your own beaded products, and then you sell them yourself. All right, so you will have to source for your beads, you make new designs, and then you sell them. Okay, and then with that one, you will have to master the marketing skills. Okay, because now there are a lot of bead artists on the internet, and so in order for you to make a name for yourself on the social media space, you really have to know how you're going to package your product. Your finishing is very important, and then as for your marketing, okay, how you're going to market those products. Okay, so it stands out. So if you're going to do that, or if you already do that and you're watching this video, make sure you do your marketing put so much effort into your marketing, and then you also post consistently on your social media handles if you have one. All right, now the next one I'm going to talk about is to sell digital products. Okay, so someone might ask, or is already wondering, digital products from beading skills. Yes, my dear, very, very, very yes. Okay, so if you can create your own design, you make a tutorial of it, and then you just put it out on sale. Okay, you can just put it out on sale. But you know, this because of YouTube, most people like myself, we make beading tutorials and all of that. So if you create a design, and then someone sees it, and then the person can just make a video of it and post it on his or her social YouTube channel as a free tutorial, meanwhile you are selling yours. Okay, so you can't just pick any design and say that you are going to run an online class for it. Okay, because someone might have posted it on YouTube, and so people wouldn't want to pay for. But then I have one client that she even paid me for a video I posted on my YouTube channel. At first I said I was going to run an online class for it, but unfortunately people didn't actually sign up for it, so I had to just put it up on my YouTube channel. She saw it and she was like, no, I wanted to purchase it, but I just didn't have money on me that moment. And she still sent me the money, and then I sent the video to her, and I was very, very, very grateful. She's Maria. So Maria, if you're watching this video, I'm very grateful. Okay, so yeah, so with the tutorials and the online class and all of that, that is um what I can say about that, because if you because there are so many now, there are so many bead artists or so many YouTube channels posting beading tutorials. Okay, so people will not actually sign up for an online class unless maybe your method of teaching is unique. Okay, yeah, so I have had a client outside my country where she always sends me a design, and I will do a video on that for her because she loves how I teach, and then most of you have been commending me for that, so I'm very grateful. All right, so yeah, that is it. Now, apart from doing the online class and all of that, you can also organize trainings. Okay, um physical trainings, I mean. All right, so right now people really want to learn a skill, learn the beading skill, but then if they see online, they think that maybe you're going to fraud them, or maybe they will not understand it well compared to physical classes. Okay, so most people prefer physical classes. Now, um most people ask me this, okay, whether I do physical class or only online. I do physical class, but someone came to me. Someone came here to my place. She rented a house, or let me say a room, for about a month. That she came to learn the beaded bag or the beading skill. But some people might not want that, or might not get a time to come and stay at someone's place for a month to learn a skill. Some are willing to do that, while others are not. Okay, so you can organize physical trainings from maybe announce announce it at a place. So for instance, if I want to organize a physical training at Accra, I will just make sure that I do my advertising very well so as to get people's attention, so they will come. Okay, so because you can't just travel to, I can also just travel to Accra that I want to run a physical training, but I don't even know the number of people who are going to turn up. Okay, so if you do the announcement prior to the time or the date that you're willing to do the physical training, then you get to know the number of people who will be interested, who will sign up. So you do as like register with, let's say, like 50 cities, so you get to know the number of people who will sign up for it. Okay, and then you just go to the place, and then you teach them. Even if you get 5 people, 10 people, it's okay. It's okay, it's not bad. You're just starting out, it's not bad. So you can just do that. If you're not, you won't be able to travel far, maybe your nearby communities or nearby towns, you can do that. Okay, so I have the intention of doing that. So I legally registered my business name as Mace Craft Hub, because I'm willing to be going from place to place to be teaching them the beading skills. Okay, soap making, crochet, fascinators, bridal fans, and all of that. So I didn't want to limit it to beading, so that's why I excluded bead from my legally registered business name, and then I just went for Mace Craft Hub, so the craft will cover any other skill or any other craft. Okay, now I think that is it, right? Now there are so many ways. I actually didn't prepare for this video while I was working. I just thought it wise to do it, but I believe, yeah, there are so many ways. So apart from, yeah, another way is to write books. If you are an IT expert, you can design the bead patterns just like the fashion people how they do it, pattern. Yeah, so if you can do so many patterns for a beaded bag designs, so many easy patterns that people who won't be able to watch a tutorial video, when they see that pattern they can follow and make the bag. If you're an IT expert and you can do that using MS Word or let's say Adobe Illustrator or Canva, then you can go ahead and do that. I also write books on how you can start a craft business, or be it bead sewing, crochet, any other craft business at all. I have that book. Okay, so that book is also up for affiliate. If you want to sell that book for me and then you get a commission for it, you can also send me a DM. Okay, I will leave the link in the comment to my DM in the comment section. Sorry, yeah, I'll pin it in the comment section and also in the description box, so you can reach out to me if you really want to do that. Now, if you have any other question, any suggestion, you can go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer you. So like I said, I didn't really prepare for this, but I believe there are so many of them. I have them in my notebook, but these are the few ones I can remember for now. So this will be like the part one. Later on, when I grab my notebook, I will take you through the rest of them. I believe this video has been a very helpful one. Thank you for staying out with me, even though I'm not yet done. Okay, but yeah, I will think of something else and then that will be in another video, because I don't want to be sitting here idle doing nothing. Even though I'm working, but I want to be talking at the same time, so I go faster. Okay, so yeah, see you in my next video, and probably it will be the same setting but different discussion. Thank you for staying with me. Bye bye.